This one is better. Mix them, jam them together.
But is it still like this that there's chicken like this? Look at the shred the chicken. Okay, salt is not part of it, so please. Cabbage, carrots, some for sausages, shawarma bread, chicken that will be shredded, right? And this is the sauce, but my sister had made the sauce before. So I'll quickly tell you how she did the sauce. Ketchup, bama, milk, all mixed together. Then mixed spices, your cayenne pepper, black pepper, whatever spices you have in your kitchen, and then lemon syrup. You can add sugar, but that's optional. Okay. I came to do my filming, so you guys will catch her. Yeah, so that's it. So now first something in the chop. So that chicken is not enough. It's good. This sausage. I love skin. Kimmy, where are you? I love skin. Well, skin is not healthy. I choose my poison and it's skin. Kimmy, please look for it for me, I beg. Please look for Kimmy now.
So now that I'm telling you I'm not doing it.
But you don't doing it. It's around here.
I don't understand.
I mean, Kimmy.
It should be in my room.
So good. It's asking for Kimmy.
Yes, you need lights.
I'm going to put on your top.
No!
Okay, fresh.
Am I waiting? Let me video my.
So this water leave here will make people think they're going to add it.
Wait, now let me video my.
Well, you have to put enough cream. Oh, that cream is not enough.
There's cream already.
Yeah, but let it serenade.
Yeah, put enough cream.
I don't know. You should have mixed the cream with the thing. You used to mix the two things together.
Yeah.
Then mix it before you put it on it to be dry. Put the chop on my good.
It's not going to be dry at all.
Let's be. So yeah, let's not be sorry, it's not be dry.
Can you remember my time you did it like this? It was dry. Sugar. I want to follow and see what's going on.
No.
Okay. I want to see what's going on.
Say you put the butter around this.
The tea would have been showing us how to make this butter.
Two hot dogs.
I'll be special. We know they chop them. Yes, we know they chop one hot dog. This is not hot dog, sausage.
See, I suffer to get all these things.
So, not be more you go. Which one is which I suffer to get all these
I
things?
have to go and look for this. Which one is the best? Which one is the best? Because number was not going to no one to come. No, wait, let me snap before you turn it now.
No, turn. You do the next one. You mean what?
Oh.
Yeah. So we forgot the green pepper we had sliced.
So imagine if I bought extra, but that not waste.
So, yes, we're going to add it.
Excuse me?
So don't see much pepper.
We add it to the tails of the shawarma. Shawarma, baby. My sister says to give it the longest smell.
That's...
Should I show my fans, the people that...
No.
I show my fans, the people that are doing the shawarma.
Before they will cost us a bed. Yeah, just know it's homemade.
Homemade bros and sisters.
It's still gonna make sense.
Say hi to my fans. Say hi. Say hi. I know say hi. Say hi. Hi.
Yeah, I don't need nice.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, on your data like that. Be your right.
Please, I need to go and check that boy. Kimi!
Oh, that.
Okay, can I run it already? I use cream milk. Oh.
I should close it.
Let me be like 30 minutes. Move the rag, yeah.
Oh, I can boy.
Don't mind this rag.
Jesus, I can boy. I'm going to post this video like this, so I'm
Yeah.
not editing it.
Data you have in the smell.